नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। आई एम डॉक्टर सचिन गुप्ता, एचओडी ऑफ Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JBWU. Today I am teaching you Cardus Marianus medicine in the Materia Medica practical session. This is a very effective medicine in the gastric disorder, especially related with the liver. This medicine is the best homeopathic liver tonic in our Materia Medica. It leads all liver complaints including cirrhosis and hepatitis and jaundice complaints. After effects of liver complaints and pain in the liver region. These are some leading conditions in which this medicine is very effective. The action of this drug is centered in the liver and portal system, causing soreness, pain, jaundice, has specific relation to the vascular system, abuse of alcoholic beverages, and if a patient is addicted to the alcohol, this medicine is very beneficial in that case, especially beer, varicose vein, ulcers, diseases of minors associated with asthma. It also present in the sulfur. Dropsical conditions, liver diseases due to pelvic congestion and hepatic diseases, disturbed sugar metabolism, influenza when liver is affected, debility, hemorrhage, especially connected with hepatic diseases. In all complaints, there is some liver complaints connected. Headache, dull, heavy headache, vertigo tendencies, burning pressure in the eyes, etc. But the main chief complaint is GIT or gastric complaints. In the stomach part, there is bitter taste, aversion to salty meat, appetite is small, tongue furred, nausea, retching, vomiting of green acid fluid, stitches in the left side of the stomach near spleen. It also acts beneficially in the splenic troubles, so that liver is associated with the spleen when pain is right and left side. Also present in the cyanosis. Gallstones, it also acts better in the gallstone pain. Likewise, China, Lycopodium, gallstone disease with enlarged liver, hepatitis reason. Abdomen pain in region of liver, left lobe, very sensitive, fullness, soreness, constipation, stool, very hard, difficult, knotty. All liver remedies have hard, difficult, knotty stool. Alternate with diarrhea, stool bright yellow, swelling of gallbladder with painful tenderness, hyperemia of liver and jaundice, cirrhosis with dropsy. In the rectal region, there is hemorrhagic piles, prolapse and rectum, burning pain in the anus and rectum, hard and knotty, clayey stool, profuse diarrhea during the rectal cancer. It is also helpful in that case, 10 drops mixed with the water, BD or TDS. In the chest pain, there is stitching pain in the lower right rib in front, worse moving, walking. Asthmatic respiration, pain in chest, going to shoulder, back, loin, and abdomen, with urging to urinate. Skin have varicose ulcers, eruption on lower part of sternum. In the extremity section, there is pain in the hip joint spreading through buttocks and down thighs, worse from stooping. Difficult rising, weakness felt in the feet, especially after sitting. Compare and contrast with Chalidonium and Podophyllum and China. In the doses, tincture and lower potencies are very beneficial. Usually it act in the clinic. Usually we use in the clinic in mother tincture form. References taken from Boric Materia Medica. The session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it on problem solving day. Thank you.